TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. And taking a look at the markets, pretty calm day so far on Wednesday. Dow Jones up 61 points currently, trading 25,181. S&P's in positive territory by 3 points, trading 28.14. And the Nasdaq negative by almost 5 points, trading 78.50. Gold contract basically flat at 12.27 after trading a bit lower than that earlier in the day. And oil up 56 cents. And as we jump over, let's start off on the Nadex platform. We'll take a look at some of those futures markets. Start things off with the Dow 30. So kind of just inching off of the highs that we made just after noon Eastern time. We're only talking about 30 Dow points from the highs, currently trading about 25,165. NASDAQ 100 near the highs that we made for most of the afternoon. Highs of the session actually right around the opening bell, but currently near those levels, trading 74.11 in the NASDAQ 100. S&P is pretty similar to the Dow. S&P is trading 28.15, about 3 points off the highs we made just after noon Eastern time. Crude oil, quite a day for crude. So we got the EIA numbers at 10:30. There's your 10:30 a.m. bar. These are 5-minute bars we're looking at. We proceed to go from about, and this says it opened at 66.34. Well, this bar closed at 66.77. And basically there's a split second in there. And in that split second, we got the numbers. Oil spikes lower, and then from there, it's off like a rocket ship. We are up from that low. It spiked to 66.32. Now, it only hung there for a few seconds, maybe call it a minute, before it was back up near the top of this bar. But still, from about the top of that bar, we're up a solid dollar. We go from 66.75 to 67.75, currently 67.70 in the price of crude. And for a quick snapshot of those numbers, there's your crude EIA numbers. So we saw a build of 5.8 million barrels versus the estimate of a decline of 4.1. That's why that initial thrust downward on the top line number. But then you get into the numbers, there was a gasoline draw versus much larger than expected. So not quite what they thought either way. Oil trading higher, 67.70. Gold, quite a little rebound for gold. Traded down to a low of 12.21. Is that 12.20? I thought it got into. Yes, 12.20.97. Now about $7 from that level, trading at 12.27. And Bitcoin hanging tough, right under 7,500, 74.98. Quite a couple days for Bitcoin. That's yesterday's action, and today just kind of hanging at those highs. Stay tuned. We have our man David White coming up right now with the Power Trading Hour. And of course, Tom O'Brien live 3 till 5. Have a great Wednesday, everybody.